Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a signature from a PDF file. We will cover different types of signatures, from digital to image-based, and the methods you can use for each. It's crucial to understand the implications of altering signed documents, so we'll also touch upon the legal and ethical aspects. This guide aims to provide clear, actionable steps for managing signatures in your PDF documents effectively and responsibly. Digital signatures are highly secure, using advanced cryptography to verify identity and document integrity. Removing them typically requires specialized software, like Adobe Acrobat Pro, and often the original signer's credentials. Be aware that once a digital signature is removed, the document's authenticity and legal validity are compromised. This process is far more complex than simply deleting an image, involving several layers of security. Image-based signatures are much simpler to handle, as they are essentially pictures placed onto your PDF. You can easily remove these using most standard PDF editing tools. Look for functions such as Edit PDF or Redact to select and delete the signature image. This method is straightforward, allowing you to quickly clean up documents where a signature was merely an inserted graphic, taking only a few clicks. Before attempting any signature removal, it is absolutely vital to consider the legal and ethical ramifications. Altering a signed document without proper authorization can lead to serious legal consequences, including potential fraud charges. Always ensure you have explicit permission from all relevant parties. Your actions should always uphold the integrity and legality of the document, protecting yourself and others from potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.